Maybe a simple question say, who was the presidential candidate in 2022? Maybe a question.
Charlie, welcome to the political rant with me, the voice writer on Ghana and SMTVG. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Maybe a simple question say, who was the presidential candidate in 2022? Maybe a question. Muti social media say, I am a ponten. I will me say, when the Empaqua meeting their court 12 a.m. I am a medio. Huh? What about Punk over to my Punk over ponten? What's that here? Obi say 2022 na MPP lusu yaba because Nanado ene baumia amasiri no I say and a debt exchange and in yakeka yate. Se 2022 na MPP lusu lessons dia. That time ye lusu aba me only question we ano. 2022 na MPP alusu elections. Ye lusu that election with candidate wine. Who was the presidential candidate in the year 2022 MPP lusu election? Who was the presidential candidate? Because you are claiming say MPP lost the election in 2022. Imagine. And if indeed MPP lost the election in 2022, with what margin? With what margin? See Lusu Abano 2022. Now one and a presidential candidate Bonidini Lusu Aba 2022. Now margin saying any Lusu ye. 2022 na baumia a presidential candidate yana. So why would you say we lost the election in 2022 dear? And Kojinaba being Kase, Baumia a bad candidate in Timayam Fanenko elections. Because you are claiming say we lost the election in 2022. 2022, Baumia wasn't the presidential candidate. Come and tell us. Say 2022 no na Baumia a presidential candidate. Bakatire Emma bin traba bin kasa o nyansa che obia brabekatire say in your own words no what say we lost the election in 2022. So tell us who was the presidential candidate? The person lost that election with what margin? Two questions. Who was the presidential candidate? Tell us whether Baumia was the presidential candidate in 2022. As you claim the party lost the election in 2022. Tell us whether Baumia was the presidential candidate. Yano. Was the Baumia the presidential candidate?
If you have evidence of wrong
in 2022
using public funds. Who use the public funds now? The yes,
say no, dear.
Against the law.
Obia ni right to solve a case. Baumia lost the election in 2024 until 2028 in Mayam Fanenko. Because the very person now, Akisu Baumia, said Baumia lost the election in 2024. No, a bad candidate, you know. Oxy, we lost the election in 2022. I am asking you a simple question. We need answers from you. Who was the presidential candidate in 2022? We want to know who was the presidential candidate in 2022. And that person lost the election with what margin?
Is walking around
the year no so we are seeing answer no we na ekita me na me sorry a me Jimmy for until me beside Jimmy for questions because yeah the 2022 na kasem MPP lost the election in 2022 because we say Nanado amamu onye yate until in 2022 no because Nanado there na nimra there until nanka on siki re-election bia te se ne ebinum pese yi enkrofo bi o mani brade no wo mo petetem because Ghana o mo kwa na o mo ho ofe wo mo ne sonwa nti o mo ne kotetem eyeyie ndisi mu no ono ati nyansa ni bia ni ho e de so ono kwa ne conference eyeyie yate. But in 2022 no Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo onko election bia. So if that was the case there, why na presidential candidate here or lose election in 2022? Bakachire brabe kachire owura nyansafo bakachire mayehu ehwo no woni answers bia wo nti say lusu aba no 2022 dia. What it means is about me anya bad candidate. Nti mo amodi ba omi achi no questions no ne answers ne na media mamo no mo nkantire asuma sinkrofo no say or say NPP lost the elections in 2022. Who was the presidential candidate in 2022? Bawumia wasn't the presidential candidate in 2022. And if indeed we lost the election in 2022, we lost with what margin? It should.
Good afternoon, good afternoon. Ya papa Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo. Ya papa Dr. Alhaji Bawumia. Ya mamu happy Father's Day. Yenua mema ya papa no ya wofa no mrantie papa. Ene papa fo papa ni onyamfa mo MPP nyina. Ya mamu happy Father's Day. Na we ya kache wiase afana meme nyina. Say ya mamu happy Father's Day. Ya dofo nyina, meme nyina. Monka ye ho enye. Mona mo boye chidom wo fie abusuam. Mona mo hwe mo frɛ maye. Na mo ba akohoma. Na to da ne ehie ne ma pa nso abrabo mu a ye kunonom. Ya papa nom, ye wofa nom, enua mema. Mona mo san ye maye. Ne nyine mo monka ye ho ma entumi nyehwe. Tie ma mo nyina happy Father's Day. Na ye guso achia ye papa o mampeni dada ye papa je Akufo. Oh daddy umpo mutise ye hope sa umye MPP nkwa ene ye former presidents etias mayembo ye chidom ne sanwe ye vice president so onyame ye hraye yu osunu kokoku amanyuku osunoma mama moninye ne yakoso we party mo na ne chine betwem akọ enkosi hu enkosi aga na tumi no ebeka yensa 2028 na the 7th 2029 January still possible. Yaso ye papa Dr. Alhaji Bawumia as the President of the Republic of Ghana, inshallah. Daddy, baso we clear. Ti daddy, ya mamu happy Father's Day. Rather come home. Uncle so no, mamu nkwa ho odin wom, ni nchapo modin. O mamu nyine me se metusela. Na yehia futu. Ni yehia nshira ya bamona ase, rather nshira mu nyina. Wiase meme nyina. MPP meme nyina. Ya mamu happy